you taking whey protein? Don't you know it's so harmful for your body? Doctors have told me it damages your kidney, brain, lung, finger, toes, everything.
So we've all heard this a lot of times in every household. Protein is bad for your kidneys, protein is bad for your lungs, protein is bad for your nose, eyes, and whatnot. The only way that whey protein is harmful for you is if someone throws a whey protein box at you and you're not fast enough to dodge it. So before coming to a conclusion about whey protein, let's actually get to know what whey protein is, how it's made, and whether you should take it or not. And if you should, then how much should you take in a day? Everything about whey protein. Let's get right into it. Number 1. What is whey protein? Well, whey protein is just a derivative of milk. I'm sure if you are familiar with the cheese making process or the paneer making process, then you have seen the water which is left out. That water contains whey protein which is dried and made powder out of it. And that is what you see in the whey protein boxes. That's it. Now, if it is natural or not, well, it's up to you to decide. And the next time someone tells you that it's not natural, you know what answer to give. Number 2. Why you should take protein? Well, a normal individual needs at least a gram of protein per kg of body weight. Considering if you're 80 kilos, then you need at least 80 grams of protein per day, and that increases if you're exercising. Now, considering the Indian households, we make dal at home which has this much dal and this much water and masala and other vegetables and stuff. So where's the protein? Now, why you need protein? Basically, your muscles cannot use anything else. The basic fuel for your muscle is protein, and anything that you do in your day-to-day life requires your muscle, obviously. And that is even if you do not work out, because you need protein for your muscle, and it in turn increases your metabolism, which obviously helps you lose weight, or more precisely fat. Number 3. Should you take whey protein? Well, if you can include good amount of protein sources in your diet coming from chicken, eggs, meat, fish, or if you don't eat non-vegetarian, then if you include good amount of paneer, dairy, and whole grains, legumes and beans in your diet, then you don't necessarily have to take whey protein. You can substitute and meet your daily requirements of protein from different sources. But if you find it hard to eat that much amount of protein, or if you're running a busy schedule and you can't find the time to have meals in which you have good amount of protein, then I think you must include whey protein in your diet. It's absolutely safe, as I already made it very clear, and it will help you keep your protein requirements on track. Well, that being said, whey protein is obviously not harmful for you, but make sure you keep your eyes open whenever you're walking out. Make sure that nobody throws a box of whey protein at you. You can die.
Hey bro, why are you taking so much whey protein? Don't you know it's harmful? Don't you know you'll have kidneys in your body? Hey bro, why are you taking whey protein? Don't you know it's harmful? Don't you know it's...
So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Share this video with as many people as you can to get them out of the dilemma that whey protein is harmful or it's not good for you, because everyone needs to know the truth, right? So I hope you like this video, and stay tuned for more amazing content. Signing off.